We're doing another vegan taste test. Today we're gonna try HIP chocolate. It's a chocolate from London, and HIP stands for Happiness in Plants. The first one is creamy and smooth. They're all oat milk based chocolates. So let's try this creamy and smooth. Ooh, good snap. Got a good
really
taste.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like a really nice light milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate.
Okay, oat milk. I hear you. I see you. The next one we're going to be doing is cookies no cream. And it's basically the same milk chocolate bar with cookies in it.
Okay, let's do
Okay, so first impression, I will say that I'm only seeing like cookie speckles. Like I would want to see a lot more cookie in here, but let's see how it tastes. It's surprising. I can definitely taste the cookie. I retract my previous comment.
Yeah, those speckles added up.
There's a lot of speckles.
That's good.
The last one we're trying is salty pretzel. Similar comment to the cookie one. I'm not gonna judge it though. It looks like it could have more in it, but maybe it's deceiving.
Pretzel speckles. Salty.
Those pretzel speckles added up as well.
You can taste the pretzel. That's good.
Expected it to be a little more crunchy for some reason.
It's like a back crunch. It's not in the front.
It's not forward crunchy. Very tasty. Highly recommend, in my opinion. I think they're absolutely delicious for a vegan milk chocolate.
Yeah, they're hip.
They are hip. Happiness in plants.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, let us know. We hope you have a great day.